This tutorial video will instruct you in downloading and installing Windows 7 Service Pack 2, released at the end of April 2016. Now, Microsoft have stealthily released this service pack, and for whatever the reason, they've decided to call it a convenience roll-up. Now, let's look at the definitions on the Microsoft website. This roll-up package includes almost all the updates that released after the release of Service Pack 1 for Windows 7 through to April 2016. 5 years worth of updates. And let's also look here. A service pack is a Windows update often combining previous released updates that helps make Windows more reliable. Let's see. We're going to call KB3020369 the prerequisite update for Windows 7 Service Pack 2. And guess what we're going to call KB3125574 Windows 7 Service Pack 2. So perhaps Microsoft haven't decided to call it Windows 7 Service Pack 2 in case people get mixed up with Windows 10 TH2, or in case it drives momentum away from Windows 10. So let's use Internet Explorer to search for KB3020369. And this is called the April 2005 Servicing Stack by Microsoft. More than likely, the search engines will find it with prerequisite update for Windows 7 Service Pack 2 within a couple of months. So let's just download this update. I'm using 64-bit Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows 7 64-bit update. And now we're going to look for KB3125574. Which I'm pretty sure by now, if you search for Windows 7 Service Pack 2, you'll find this update. Now it gives you the introduction, details, etc., etc. And it tells you to get the update via the Microsoft Update Catalog. So looking around, there appear to be some direct download links as well, and I'll post these in the description. And, hopefully Microsoft update this page and put the direct download links here. So I'll use the Microsoft Update Catalog. And the Microsoft Update Catalog is a bit of a pain because it requires Internet Explorer. Not only that, this website requires you to install the Microsoft Update Catalog add-on. When you click install, you should get a user account control prompt. Now in many cases, this seems to put people in a continuous loop. And on some of my installs, I had to disable user account control in order to get this to actually work. So if you have issues with the Microsoft Update Catalog, then use the direct download links. So once you're in, all you need to do is essentially select Add, and this will add the update to your basket. And then it's just a case of viewing the basket and then browsing for a location to save the download. Now, although it mentions basket, there's no charge for downloading. So Once your download's complete, then you can just close down Internet Explorer. And I would advise slightly renaming the file because it has a really long and horrendous name. I have no idea why Microsoft named it something so long and horrendous, but we'll just cut out the bit at the front and we'll cut out the bit at the back. And that's fine. So we'll put the other update in beside this as well, the prerequisite update. And there we go. So let's just rename this folder updates. And now I'm going to copy both updates to a computer that has a clean install of Windows 7 Service Pack 1. That's a fresh installation that I just carried out, but as you know, Windows 7 Service Pack 1 was released in 2011, and as a consequence this install is 5 years unpatched. So I'm just going to double click the prerequisite update called KB3020369 by Microsoft, and I'm going to select yes, and then it's just a case of waiting for the updates to install. And after the updates are installed, it will just say installation is complete. You won't be prompted to restart your computer. However, unless you restart your computer, you won't be able to configure this update, and as a consequence, the Windows 7 Service Pack 2 update won't install. So I'm just going to go to Start and then Restart. And now I'm just going to repeat the procedure with Windows 7 Service Pack 2, otherwise known as KB3125574. And because this is a large file, this will take a while. So once again, select yes to install KB3125574, i.e. Windows 7 Service Pack 2. And then it's a case of once again waiting for the updates to be installed. And I'm speeding up the recording of this update installation significantly, but you can have a look at the system clock for a time estimate. So it will say installation complete, and you'll need to select restart now, and then you'll need to wait for your computer to restart and for Windows to configure the updates. And because this is a service pack, this will take quite a bit longer to configure than standard Windows updates. And that's it on the Windows desktop, Windows 7 Service Pack 2. Note, however, that this Service Pack does not include Internet Explorer 11 or Microsoft Security Essentials.